Hello kids, today we will fill missing alphabets. Let's start. What comes after A? It is B. B for ball. And what comes after C? D. D for drum. What comes after E? F. F for frog. What comes after G? H. H for hand. I. Next is J. J for jug. K. Next is L. L for lemon. What comes after L? Come after L? M. M for monkey. N. Next is O. What comes after O? T. T for parrot. Next is Q. Q for queen. Next is R. R for rocket. After R, alphabet is S. Next is T. T for tiger. U. Next is V. What comes after V? W. W for whale. Next is X. X for xylophone. What comes after X? Y. Y for yak. Next is Z. Z for zebra. So kids,